and providing instructions on how to create this DIY hand towel set. So hopefully you can see all of that. You can see there's directions. And then there are 3 different designs. So we have 3 different indoor plants featured here. And they are designed in a pattern, in a way, where once you cut these out, and you want to go ahead and fold this over a oven handle, or put it on the table, or even a drawer handle, fold it basically like this, and then the print for this one example, the Monstera, this would be like displayed like this. So there's 3 different house plants. And we have instructions. Finished these, and this one I just did not like just a straight stitch, so I went ahead and did like a like thorny looking type of stitch, and it's kind of cool because it's got 2 different colors, which is kind of goes along with each leaf and stuff. So we've got the blue and the green. Yeah, I think that looks super cool. Fold it up. You get this beautiful look. Love it. And then this one is the going off the directions, not following directions essentially, doing my own thing. Just another spin on different ways that you can be creative with these towels. This one is the waffle weave on the back, and then it has this on the front, and it has this really beautiful yellowish matching, it's like a yellow cream match to the fabric, and it is stitched in like a binding leaf pattern, which was absolutely perfect with this print. So again, this one, you can fold it. Hanging this way as well. It looks like almost ivy leaves falling down, and then you have your more absorbent side. Well, I don't know if it's more absorbent, but more scrubbable side. This linen fabric is pretty absorbent, which is why I selected it. Yeah, I think that looks really pretty. I actually really like the back being the soft gray blue. I think it was beautiful. Okay, so this one is done, and I really, really like this decorative stitch. I think it really complements the pattern, and this one has the corner hanging section. So this one you can fold it, hang it from, you know, a handle on an oven, or your drawer handles, or towel hook even. Or you can hang it from the hook. So what this will work like is you just put this through, so it's sitting like this. So it looks like this on your finished edge, and then you have that back side. And it'll hang. Just kind of it's like a nice long hand towel. And then as you can see, you just flip it back under and you have a flat hand towel again. So I like this one a lot. I really like this coloring stitch, and I like the decorative pattern on it. It really complements the fabric. So this one is done. So, to sum it all up, we have that one, this one, and this one. These are available in a DIY, make your own hand towel, tea towel, kitchen towel, bathroom towel, decorative towel, table towel, placemat. It's a little extra large for placemat. Whatever you prefer. These are available on my website and on spoonflower.com under Jess Designed. These were all hand drawn by me, and I put them together into a layout, a template, to make it easy to follow directions and do it, but also with a creative spin. So again, these are all available in a DIY kit, so you can make them your own. So we have lovely directions here to make your own tea towel. And these, by the way, will measure 16 by 24 inches, about that size. So that's about a good standard tea towel, kitchen towel, hand towel type of size. And they're made from this beautiful linen and stuff, and eco-friendly printing. Again, available on my website and at spoonflower.com as a DIY make it yourself kit. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you enjoy, and definitely do check these out because these are super cool. So thank you for watching.